107.1 Radyo Bandera. Anak ni Luningning is the title of that song. Music from 1991. Just before that one was also from Denmark. Marky D, 1991 song, Si Luningning. Yeah, magkasunod yun, part 1 and part 2. Okay, that's from the album I Am Marky D, Denmark. From 1991, okay? Anak ni Luningning, part 2, part 1, Si Luningning. That's why I played them back to back, huh? And time once again for some of the latest Radyo Bandera balita. Suspects Dominic Sitin murder case na aresto na. Matapos ang maraming taon ng pagtatago sa batas na aresto na ng mga otoridad ang suspects na si Ryan Rementilla, na kilala din sa alias na si Oliver Fuentes, kaugnay sa umunoy pamamaril sa negosyanteng si Dominic Sitin sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Ayon kay Philippine National Police or PNP spokesperson and Police Regional Office 3 Regional Director Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, na aresto ang suspect na sa Buhanginan Hills, okay, Palao, Iligan City, bandang alas 10:30 ng gabi noong March 22, 2025. Kaagad na dinala ang suspect sa Camp Olivas sa San Fernando, Pampanga, kung saan isinagawa ang kanyang arraignment and pre-trial proceedings para sa kasong murder at frustrated murder. Matatandaan una nang naaresto ang umano'y itinuturong gunman sa naturang kaso noong taong 2019 at kasalukuyang nakapiit sa New Bilibid Prison. Okay? November 28, 2018 nang paslangin si Sitin na CEO ng United Auctioneers Inc. or UAI sa harapan ng isang hotel sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone habang sugatan naman ang bodyguard nito. Okay? Maging una sa balita, please follow and share Radio Bandera Facebook page for more news and updates. Alright? And do check the time. It's now 6 o'clock, exactly 6 p.m. The Radyo Bandera time for you. And the time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Get ready for the Royal Summer Raffle, where your shopping could take you on a dream getaway for 4 to Phuket, Thailand. This until May 31, 2025. It's ongoing. Actually, it started March 15. Okay, up until May 31, 2025. For every 500 peso single receipts purchase earns you one raffle entry. So whenever you shop at Royal, bring your receipt at the marketing customer service counter. All right, for both Royal Store 1 and Store 2, shop for a chance to win a trip for 4 to Phuket, Thailand, and other exciting prizes. Meron ding meron ding motorcycle scooter, scooter, digital cameras, drone. Ano ba to? Meron pang JBL speakers, digital camera, digital watches, and gift certificates. Marami pa. EGC electronic gift card. Okay? So check it out. The Ultimate Summer Adventure Raffle promo of Royal Duty Free Shops ongoing up until May 31, 2025. Okay? So since it's 6 o'clock already, that's about it for me. I'm gonna say goodbye now. Thank you very much for jamming with me for the Golden Age of Radio show here on Radyo Bandera 107.1 FM. And this program has been brought to you by SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges Inc., located at numbers 2 and 3, Davidson and 18th Street in Barangay West, Bahak. Okay? It's at the Blue Jeep line. Yung mga hindi familiar, yung dulo ng pilahan ng Blue Jeepney, that's where SBCI is located. Check out their official Facebook page for more details. Find out what they offer. Okay, SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges Inc. And here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from Wigfield. This one's from 1995. Another part of the cool Golden Age of Radio programming. Wigfield with Close to You. With the song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Do stand by for the next radio show. This is 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera.